Doing, man. So this is lab 2. Usually I'll be doing this with my boy Chump, my partner Chump, but unfortunately I had suffered injury last Saturday in the game and kind of cooped up in the crib right now waiting surgery. So this is why I'm kind of late on the lab, and also this is why I'm doing it by myself. But anyway, we're gonna start off with homogeneous mixture, if I said that right. And when it came to this, a homogeneous mixture is a mixture in which particles of one or more number of solutes are evenly distributed into the solvent is known as homogeneous mixture. So the reason I use mouthwash in this instance was, and I gotta do it off of Google, basically Google searches, just because I had to search all my items just because I can't do too much moving. My moving is very limited. So yeah. So I picked mouthwash in this because it's a clear solution, and as all the components are evenly distributed. So that's why I picked mouthwash for the homogeneous mixture. So the next one then I went to is give me an example of a mixture that can be separated by filtration, something like that. And I chose sand and water. And I said that because that most simple examples of filter mixtures are sand and water, dirt and water. Feel me? So that's why I chose that one. The next one I chose is my fault. I chose heterogeneous mixture. That's what I chose. And the one that I picked for that is Chex Mix. And I said Chex Mix is an example of a heterogeneous mixture because it can be separated for physical means. By physical means, my fault. I'm all over the place today, y'all. I'm so sorry. The next one then I went to is what is an example of a pure substance. It's kind of easiest to be. I picked water because it only contains one type of molecule. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I picked that for pure substance. My knee hurt. Then it went to another one. Then I went to the one that it says, give me an example of an emulsion. I think that's how you say it, emulsion. And I picked mayonnaise. I said mayonnaise is an example of a permanent emulsion because it consists of eggs, yolk, and oil. When the oil is slowly whisked into the egg yolk, the two liquids form a stable emulsion that won't separate. So that's why I picked the mayonnaise for that one right there. So then the next one I went to was the example of a suspension. I don't know, suspension, something like that. I forgot how to say it. And the one I picked was muddy water. Muddy water is a suspension because the particles of dirt and clay and water are larger than those found in solutions of colloids and will eventually settle to the bottom if left undisturbed. And then the last one I believe is the example of aerosol, something like that. I said sea spray in this one right here. So that was the overall experience of my lab and the things that I chose to represent those different type of mixtures and things like that. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah.